As developing to the story, we believe that there was a massive explosion near downtown Manhattan. This explosion might have been caused by a massive bomb or aircraft, but it was most likely a gas that will bring a huge concern for New York
Yeah,
City.
we already have a huge fire which might go into the history books in the country, and that fire is actually approaching more into New Jersey. Washington, D.C. is also in danger, and so is Baltimore and other cities in the area.
And also, to quickly add to your story, we have some confusion and power outages at Los Angeles. It is for 25 am over there right now, so that is not good. In Chicago, there is a massive group of people near the Sears Tower and confusion as well. Smoke is now visible in Miami. This is not good.
Let's check the states impacted of the fire while this country is in pure chaos. You can see Maryland and Pennsylvania are in very, very deep red. So as are the states too. It's starting to reach Canada too. This is terrible.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. The fire and smoke is now leaving it more of a hazard throughout the entire globe. As temperatures are starting to reach around 130 to 140, please stay indoors as much as possible. Stay away from the outside and stay indoors. Make sure you have an AC and water. The whole United States is now starting to become a desert, and screams are heard from other places.
This is a special message from the BBC. Please stand by. English weather reports and analysts are now indicating a high heat wave heading into the United Kingdom. As temperatures are now reaching over 55 degrees Celsius, this can cause massive fires around the UK. For more information, please visit us on our website. Thank you and stay safe.
Fire emergency declared for the United States and Canada. I repeat, fire emergency declared for the United States and Canada. Effective until further notice. The massive fire and smoke is affecting the globe as of right now. The fire is causing massive heat in the air. Please stay indoors and close all windows. All telephone lines will no longer be available unless if it is for official use. Please stay indoors as much as possible. The current death